A very warmest welcome to everyone in my new video. Today we are going to talking about the BHU question paper series 2017. The question number 1. The cheaper material added to food items for more profit are called answer adulterants. Question number 2. The organism who can synthesize their own food are termed as answer autotropics. Question number 3. The organism obtain their nutrients from dead and decaying organic material are known as answer saprophytic. Question number 4. Relationship between EMC and RH for biological material has been given by answer Henderson. Question number 5. Stokes law is applied when Reynolds number is answer less than or equal to 2. Question number 6. If the moisture content of a food product on wet basis is 50.76%, its moisture content on dry basis will be answer 103.09%. Now question number 7. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of milk by 1 degree centigrade in comparison to water is answer 93%. Now question number 8. Consider a spherical object having a volume of 1000 cc. The object is broken down into smaller particles of about 1 mm size. The storage requirement of the comminuted material in cc will be about answer 1400 cc. Now question number 9. A dimensionless ratio of convective heat transfer to conduction heat transfer with a solid is known as answer Prandtl number. Question number 10. Particle density of an agricultural produce is 1.95 gram per cc. The porosity of bulk is 36%. The bulk density of the produce is answer 1.25. Question number 11. Air at 40 degrees centigrade and 50% RH has a wet bulb depression of 10 degrees centigrade. If the relative humidity decreases to 40%, the wet bulb temperature will answer increase. Question number 12. Decimal reduction time in microbial destruction is inversely proportional to answer Z value. Question number 13. Which among the following is present more in cow milk as compared to buffalo milk? Answer carotene. Question number 14. As pressure is reduced, the latent heat value answer increase. Question number 15. The energy required in grinding large solid particles is inversely proportional to the function of answer diameter. Now question number 16. A specific heat coefficient of viscosity and thermal conductivity are related in answer Prandtl number. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? Answer standard deviation. Question number 18. The scientific name of rice is answer Oryza sativa. Question number 19. Essential oil obtained from tulsi is called answer oil of basil. Now question number 20. Density of water is maximum at answer 4 degrees centigrade. Question number 21. For drying fruits and vegetables are sliced for increasing answer surface area. Question number 22. Yogurt contain useful answer bacteria. Now question 23. Redness in apple is due to answer anthocyanin. Question number 24. Wax coating treatment enhance the shelf life of fruit because it blocks answer transpiration. Question number 25. The yellow color in onion is due to pigment. Answer quercetin. Question number 26. Which of the following is ethylene absorbent? Answer KMNO4. Now question number 27. Fruit which show either a rise in respiration rate or an associated production of ethylene during the ripening process are called answer climacteric. Question number 28. The yellow pigment in papaya fruit is answer Carica exanthine. Question number 29. Fruit stored in cold chamber exhibit longer life because answer the rate of respiration decreases. Question number 30. Pectin is measured by answer jellymeter. Question number 31. Pungency in chili is due to the presence of answer the answer is capsaicin. Question number 32. Which of the following fruit contain the highest amount of ascorbic acid? Answer Indian gooseberry. Question number 33. Which one of the following is the richest source of vitamin A? Answer ripe mango fruit. Question number 34. The plant growth hormone which help in enlarging the grapefruit is answer gibberellic acid. Question number 35. Which of the following is commonly used as preservative in the preparation of tomato ketchup? Answer: sodium benzoate. Question number 36. Which one of the following is a method of long-term preservation of fruit and vegetable? Answer: drying. Question number 37. Yellow colored fruit and vegetable are rich source of vitamin A. Question number 38. Which of the following fruit is not suitable for jam making? Answer: lemon. Question number 39. Refractometer is used to determine. Answer: total soluble solid. Question number 40. Vegetable are canned in. Answer: brine. Question number 41. Central Food Technology Research Institute is located at. Answer: Mysore. Question number 42. The edible part of pomegranate is. Answer: aril. Question number 43. Which of the following is a richest source of iron? Answer: spinach. Question number 44. An ideal fruit for making jelly should be rich in. Answer: acid and proteins. Question number 45. A cyclone separator is used for separating. Answer: fine particles from solid. Question number 46. In single effect evaporator, the economy is. Answer: less than or equal to 1. Question number 47. The most commonly used fumigant for storage of cereals is. Answer: aluminium phosphide. Question number 48. Extraction of soluble constituent from a solid by mean of solvent is known as. Answer: bleaching. Question number 49. An object which reflect all the incident radiation is called a. Answer: white object. Question number 50. Addition of salt to ice will. Answer: decrease the temperature of the mixture. Question number 51. The first law of thermodynamics is a special case of law of conservation of energy. It is the answer. Question number 52. Pascal is a unit of. Answer: pressure. Question number 53. A pyrometer is used to measure. Answer: temperature. Question number 54. 1 ton of refrigeration is equivalent to. Answer: 50 kcal per minute. Question number 55. The temperature range for ultra high temperature sterilization of milk is. Answer: 135 degree to 150 degree centigrade. Question number 56. Loss of nutrients during thermal processing of food is generally guided by an equation of the following order. Answer: first. Question number 57. The boiling point of milk in degree Celsius is. Answer: 100.17 degree centigrade. Question number 58. Dielectric constant of a food material depends upon. Answer: moisture content. Question number 59. A boy has 240 gram of water at 50 degree centigrade. The number of grams of ice at 0 degree centigrade which we must add to the water to lower the water temperature to 0 degree centigrade is. Answer: 150. Question number 60. Which one of the following is deficient in milk? Answer: iron. Question number 61. Headquarter of Food and Agriculture Organization is located at. Answer: Rome. Question number 62. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Answer: 2. Cutting not related to strawberry. Question number 63. The force of attraction that binds the molecule of the same kind is called. Answer: cohesion. Question number 64. The anti-sterility vitamin is. Answer: vitamin E. Question number 65. International Institute of Horticulture is situated in India. Question number 66. The oil and protein content of groundnut are. Answer: 45% and 26%. Question number 67. Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority (APEDA) came in existence in. Answer: 1985. Question number 68. Which of the following fruit is most suited for preparation of marmalade? Now the answer is orange. Question number 69. Which of the following sugar is sweetest? Answer: fructose. Question number 70. The medicinal plant known as second shilajit is. Answer: safed musli. Question number 71. Zero energy cool chamber operate on the principle of evaporative cooling. Question number 72. Which of the following fruit grown in semi-wild form in wasteland of peninsular India is one of the largest foreign exchange earner? Answer: cashew. Question number 73. Oleoresin is extracted from. Answer: chili. Question number 74. In India, date is harvested at. Answer: Doka stage. Question number 75. Site of protein synthesis in a cell is. Answer: ribosome. Question number 76. Who discovered X-ray first? Answer: Roentgen. Question number 77. Aflatoxin is are produced by. Answer: molds. Question number 78. Among cucurbits, which fruit is richest in iron content? Answer: watermelon. Question number 79. Pungency in onion is due to the presence of. Answer: allyl propyl disulfide. Question number 80. Which of the following is not a biopesticide? Answer: carbaryl. Question number 81. Which of the following is a phenolic factor present in onion having antifungal property? Answer: cathecol. Question number 82. Major pest of potato during storage is. Answer: potato tuber moth. Question number 83. Which vitamin is called coagulating vitamin? Vitamin K. Question number 84. The pest which attack the pulses both in field and storage. Answer: pulse beetle. Question number 85. The first Indian scientist who collected and identified fungi in India. Answer: K.R. Kirtikar. Question number 86. Which one of the following cannot synthesize protein by own enzyme? Answer: virus. Question number 87. Mad cow disease is caused by. Answer: pyrion. Question number 88. Which one of the following cannot be detected by ELISA technique? Answer: viroid. Question number 89. The strongest bond is. Answer: ionic bond. Question number 90. Latent heat of fusion ice to water is. Answer: ATCAL. Question number 91. Which of the following is deficient in rice grain? Answer: lysine. Question number 92. The process of breakdown of large molecule to a small molecule which often release energy is known as. Answer: catabolism. Question number 93. Wavelength of visible light is. Answer: 390 nm to 760 nm. Question number 94. Most dangerous gas for depletion of ozone layer is. Answer: CO2. Question number 95. Among the following, which has antioxidant property? Answer: tocopherol. Question number 96. Respiratory quotient for carbohydrate is approximately. Answer: 1.6. Question number 97. The end product of glycolysis is. Answer: pyruvic acid. Question number 98. Krebs cycle produces. Answer: 30 ATP. Question number 99. Cellulose is N polymer of. Answer: beta D glucose. D means dextrose, I think. Question number 100. Greenhouse gas for global warming is. Answer: CO2. Question number 101. Unit of pressure in SI system is. Answer: Pascal. Question number 102. Coconut fat is a rich source of. Answer: lauric acid. Question number 103. Temperature of LT pasteurization of milk is. Answer: 61 degrees centigrade to 63 degrees centigrade. Question number 104. Rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Question number 105. Milk sugar is. Answer: lactose. Question number 106. Which of the following state of India produces maximum quantity of fish? Answer: West Bengal. Question number 107. Egg cell is made up of. Answer: CaCO3. Question number 108. Quality of egg can be judged by. Answer: candling. Question number 109. White revolution is related to. Answer: milk. Question number 110. Yellow color of egg is due to. Answer: xanthophyll. Question number 111. Hormone from milk secretion is. Answer: prolactin. Question number 112. Crude fiber content in roughage is approximately. Answer: 18% to 20%. Question number 113. Enzyme coagulated milk product is. Answer: cheese. Question number 114. Lactic acid content in fresh cow milk is. Answer: 0.10%. Question number 115. pH of fresh buffalo milk is. Answer: 6.6. Question number 116. Which of the following vitamin remain most resistant on heat treatment of milk? Answer: vitamin A. Question number 117. Estrogen progesterone and relaxin hormone are secreted from? Answer, ovary. Question number 118. Hormone secreted from pancreas that lower down blood sugar level is? Answer, insulin. Question number 119. Out of the total body calcium, bone and teeth have? Answer, 99%. Question number 120. Which one of the following is not a bacterial disease? Answer, Rinderpest. Thank you very much to watching this.